I stopped struggling with content ideas after creating the simple 10-minute system. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 10-minute system I use to generate content ideas without sitting around and waiting for inspiration. And the best part, these ideas are based on real questions and real problems people are already searching for online, which means your content becomes more searchable, more helpful, and more likely to connect with the right audience. So let's begin, shall we? So, why do most beginners run out of ideas? I think beginners put way too much pressure on themselves to constantly be original, constantly go viral, and reinvent the wheel. Meanwhile, most successful creators are simply answering the same core problems in different ways. That's it. People online are constantly searching for clarity, solutions, shortcuts, tutorials, encouragement, and simplified explanations. So instead of trying to become a creative machine every morning, I started focusing on listening to what people are already asking. That changed everything for me. Method number one, the answer the public method. So in just a bit, we're going to visit a website called answerthepublic.com. This is actually new to me. I just found out about this website and I've already started using it just a bit, just to kind of play around with it. And it's pretty interesting. Now, it does have a subscription plan, so you can use it to a certain extent before you have to purchase. But let me go ahead and just drag this home. You guys can kind of see what it looks like. So this tool basically shows you real questions people type into Google. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, Google is the #1 search engine. YouTube is #2, which is gold for content creators like us. For example, we can type in anything like affiliate marketing, side hustles, online business, content creation, email marketing. So just for grins and giggles, let's go ahead and type in affiliate marketing. We're doing a keyword search. We'll be able to review questions, comparisons, customer fears, beginner confusion, and searchable phrases. And you have everything here. And as you scroll all the way down, you'll get to see the examples. So what are the best platforms for affiliate marketing programs? How to start affiliate marketing for beginners? How can I start affiliate marketing with minimal investment? Best affiliate programs for digital products. And what's powerful is you now know people are already searching for these topics. These are questions real people have specific to your niche. So instead of guessing content ideas, and move my screen over here, you're creating content around existing demand. And that's huge, especially for beginners like us, especially if we're trying to grow through YouTube, blogs, eventually Pinterest, which is something I may do, but Pinterest, as well as searchable content. Method number 2, comment mining. This method is so underrated. And guys, super underrated. Go to creators in your niche. This is what I do, especially for Instagram. Prior to posting content, I go into the creators within my niche. I don't copy them. If you are a follower of mine on Instagram, you'll see that that's all me. I'm not copying anybody. I have pretty much doing my own thing. A lot of people, they use a lot of B-roll. I really love nature. So you'll find on my channel or my page, I post a lot of nature, summer, spring, a lot of birds. I just really love that because to me, it's very calming. And I kind of feel like, I don't know, it's my platform. So whatever, I'm going to post a bird or two. All right. So, but yeah, again, you just go over to the creators within your niche, not to copy them, but to study the questions people keep asking. So, and from there, you'll look for patterns. So you can do this with YouTube. Instagram, or even Thread replies. Now, these are the main ones that I use. I also sometimes I'll venture into Facebook. Again, you could do that there as well. You'll start noticing confusion, repeated questions, beginner fears, and gaps in understanding. Those comments are content ideas. For example, what tool should I use first? How do you stay consistent? What if I don't have an audience? How do I choose a niche? And what if I work full time? And the beautiful thing is, if one person is asking, many other people are wondering the same thing silently. This is one reason I think beginner focused content works so well, because beginners are actively searching for reassurance, clarity, and simple explanations. Amazon review method. This one changed the way I thought about audience pain points. Go to Amazon, look up books in your niche. So again, affiliate marketing, email marketing, digital products, content creation, productivity, side hustles, again, mindset, online business. The list goes on. Then what you want to do is read the reviews, especially 3-star, 2-star, and I wish this included comments. Why? Because people tell you exactly what frustrates them, what confuses them, what they still need help understanding, and what specific problems remain unsolved. That's content inspiration everywhere. Examples. This book was too complicated. I still don't know where to start. This wasn't realistic for busy moms. I've actually seen a lot of those. And everything felt too advanced. And suddenly, you now know the kind of content people need more of. That's incredible value. Incredible value that comes from an unexpected source. So, why this system works so well? What I love about this system is that it removes so much pressure mentally, because now content creation becomes research based, not panic based, inspiration or perfectionism based. And as someone balancing work, life, motherhood, and a business, I need systems that simplify things mentally. That's what this process does for me. So if you've been feeling stuck, staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out what to post, I want you to remember, you don't need to magically become more creative overnight. You just need systems, audience awareness, and content ideas based on real problems people already have. That's it. And once you started learning or listening to your audience differently, content ideas start showing up everywhere. And if you want to see the beginner friendly tools and resources I'm personally using while building my online business in real time, I linked everything in the description below. And if this video helped make content creation feel less overwhelming, just a little bit, make sure to subscribe, because I'm documenting this entire journey step by step while balancing work, life, and building this business alongside you guys. I'll see you in the next video.